Now another term is parameter and statistics. What is mean by parameter? Parameter is a main value that has been collected when we count all the participant, when we count the population. So the mean value, the mean weight of the population will be called as parameter. In our case, if the population is 100 students, so weight of the 100 students will be, mean weight of the 100 students will be parameter. On the other hand, if we have taken 30 students as a sample and we are going to find out the mean weight of that sample, so mean weight of the sample will be called is statistics. For example, from here we get 50 kg mean weight of population, here we get 49 kg, so that will be statistics, 50 will be parameter.